everyone, welcome to our Skyline Luge vlog. Did you know the Luge experience first started in New Zealand? What began as a fun gravity ride has now become a global sensation. And guess what? Malaysia finally has its very own. This time we are teaming up with our amazing friends Pushpa, Pooja and their little adventurer Kian for an unforgettable ride. So let's go! Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Simply Shetty. So today we are on our way to Gamuda Gardens, which is 30 kilometers away from Kuala Lumpur. Gamuda Gardens in Sungai Buloh is just a 40-minute drive from KL. It's a smooth drive with great views, perfect for a family day out.
This place is an adventure paradise for thrill rides, go-kart drifting, water park and so much more. We are ready for an action-packed day. Let's go!
So here we are at Skyline Luge Park, ready to experience the thrill and fun that awaits. That's Skyline Luge, right in the heart of Gamuda Gardens.
Each ride is for 20 Malaysian ringgit and they had a buy 3 get 1 free promo. We would recommend you to go for RM70 package for 4 rides, perfect to try all tracks. Small kids can tag along with an adult for RM25.
We came here on a weekend, but a pro tip, visit on a weekday to skip the crowd. And here we are, all geared up. They have got the perfect fit for every head size.
We are all set for the Luge ride at Gamuda Gardens here. So it's Malaysia's first Luge ride. This is Malaysia's first ever Luge experience. So we'll be riding on a gravity powered kart, similar to real life Mario Kart, you can say. It's no engines. It's just your kart and gravity and lot of speed.
We are up on the skyline, soaring high, and the view below is amazing. We can already see people zooming down on the luge, laughing and having a blast. But honestly, as much as we are excited, there's a little nervousness creeping in. It's about to be our turn. Upstairs on the left, you will find the queue for your first ride, where they stamp your hand and give you detailed instructions. For the next rides, jump straight into the action with no more instructions.
There are 4 lanes: Legend, Ultra, Gravity and Express. For first timers, they recommend starting with the Legend lane, which is the easiest. Ultra offers a bit more speed, Gravity is for those craving thrills, and Express is the fastest for an adrenaline rush. As we take off down the track, the wind hits our face and the adrenaline kicks in. The twists and turns keep us on the edge, but the thrill is absolutely electric. We are laughing, shouting, feeling the freedom as we race through the curves. There's something about the speed, the control and the views that make this moment unforgettable. It's pure joy, like nothing else matters but this ride. It's a mix of excitement and pure fun. Kian, well done! Hi Sano! Off we go again on the skyline for another round. The Ferris wheel looks stunning from up here. Hi Kian! Hello!
Before hopping on the luge ride, we stopped by Life Cafe and Restaurant at Bandar Gamuda Gardens for our lunch. They offer a wide variety of cuisines including Japanese, Western and local Malaysian dishes. We tried some of their signature dishes.
It was time for the amazing fun park, which features the Big Bucket Splash and 6 other unique attractions. You pay per ride, so you can choose your favorite attractions. Individual ride tickets range from 8 to 12 ringgit depending on the attraction. Jelly Cup Twist is a jellyfish themed ride. This is the only ride which Asauri enjoys and is ready to hop on without complaining.
Boomerang is one of the most intense rides at Fun Park. A giant U-shaped track that launches you back and forth, higher and higher with every swing. From the ground it looks fun, but once we were strapped in, reality hit. Agreed to the ride thinking it's a mild thrill, but halfway through I am rethinking all my life choices. My soul left my body. I wasn't screaming out of fun. I was negotiating with gravity and God at the same time. 10 on 10 for adrenaline, 0 on 10 for my decision making skills.
Now it was time for us brave men to step up and show the ladies how it's done. No fear, just pure excitement. We jumped on the boomerang ready to conquer it, arms up, showing all the way through like pros, you know. Hi everyone! Yay! Hi everyone! Smile kar rahe. In between all the fun, we took a break to cool it off with some Yao Yao frozen yogurt right inside the fun park. The froyo is creamy, refreshing and loaded with delicious toppings, from fresh fruits to crunchy bits and sweet sauces. It's the perfect pick-me-up on a hot day, and we just love it.
It was time for the Eye of Gardens, which is Malaysia's largest and tallest Ferris wheel. Measuring a stunning 50 meters high, it is an experience you can't miss at Gamuda Gardens. What makes it even better is the air-conditioned gondolas, perfect for a comfy, cool ride as you slowly spin above the park. From up there, you get breathtaking panoramic views of the lake, gardens, and all the fun below. We highly recommend going in the late evenings. The heat is off, the sunset paints the sky, and when the lights come on, the whole park turns magical. It's a peaceful, scenic, and the perfect way to unwind.
Hello guys, that brings us to the end of our time at Luge.
And it was a great experience.
We had a wonderful time.
Do come here. It's a one-day visit. You can come with your friends, families, and enjoy the day.
Yeah, it was fun with family and friends, especially the luge ride. So there are 4 types of rides, and we had a wonderful time doing it. So come here and enjoy. Cheers. Until then,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Hey guys, after an amazing experience at Luge, we are here to have dinner at Yum Momos. So let's explore the place and share the reviews with you. This restaurant in Brickfields, Little India offers a delightful fusion of Indo-Chinese and North Indian cuisine, known for its flavorful momos and diverse menu. It's a must-visit spot for dumpling enthusiasts.
If you're enjoying the content we are bringing you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It truly means a lot to us. And hey, you might also enjoy our Little India vlog pinned above. Check it out.